Hello guys, welcome in another part of Microsoft Word features. Here I show you how to create citations and bibliography. First click References. Then click Insert Citation. Add a new source. Here you check your type of the source and then fill the fields. So I will go with book. Let's say Joe. Joe is the author. The title is not really creative, I know, but for example it's enough. Year of creation 2012. City, say Paris, and publisher Some Press. Okay, we have defined our book. Now when I click OK, my citation was added where my cursor was, so to the Greek word. Now I want to create from this citation also bibliography. So what I do is click Bibliography, added my cursor somewhere else because the bibliography will be added where my cursor currently is, and click Bibliography. As you can see, my bibliography was created and also my previous source I added here, so that one I can remove. And now I have just my resource, John Doe 2012 book title, Paris, and the press which created it, which is here. You can this way update more bibliographies and then always just click on bibliography and update it, like insert bibliography. You can see it again inserted the same bibliography as before. To edit this, you can manage your sources and delete your previous graphies. And now when I click create bibliography, it should just create one, as you can see, just the first one which I remained there. So manage your sources, you can here again edit or delete. Edit is you are back in the layout. Okay guys, this is everything how you can work with bibliography. There is other types like some citation from website. There are patterns for it. Example article or journal article. But that's for another time. Thank you for watching this part. If you have any question, you can leave a comment and we will see you in the next part. Bye.